Hey y'all, it's your girl Natalie back at it again with another video. I'm not gonna drag this video out. I just want to show you guys how I got this jet black bob for my customer, so stay tuned. Alright, so I went in with my jet black Adore dye in number 121, and I literally used the whole bottle. Like, I just squeezed that whole bottle in. I did the watercolor method, so I got boiling hot water and just put it on the stove. I'm not gonna lie, I put it on for like 5 minutes, so it got really hot. And I just stirred that dye in. I got it for like $5 from the beauty supply store, $5, $6. So the reason why the hair probably look crispy, because I put got to be on that lace like at least 3 or 4 times, because I did not want the dye to go in my lace. Like, that's the last thing we wanted. So I just stuck everything in, and I had it in. I think the water, it turned black in literally less than like 2 minutes. Like, didn't even take long. So I just kept checking on it every 10 seconds. After I like left it on the stove, kept checking on it. Finally, I took it out and I let it out to dry, and y'all gonna see. Alright, so I shampoo, conditioned it, let it out to dry. And me personally, I like to mold my wigs. Like, I like to do baby hairs, customize the hairline, everything, before I even start customizing everything else. So I got some scissors from Amazon and I went to cutting. So you're gonna see that I molded the top because I just find it easier. So I wet my wigs when I cut it. Like, I feel like it's easier. That's just my opinion. I'm not a professional, but I like to wet my wigs, like not dripping, but like 80% wet, because I just find it easier to cut that way. So I got some little mist powder I got from Sally's, and I just filled up with water and just started spraying the hair. Just spraying it. Alright, so I just eye it. Like, when I'm cutting, I just comb all the hair piece in the back, like in the ponytail, and I just pretty much cut. And I use that first cut to just do the rest of the bob to make sure everything's even. So I literally cut little by little, because you know it's always good to cut less before you cut more, because you know you don't want to cut more and then you can't get that hair back. But if you cut less, you could just keep cutting until you get the desired look. So I was literally being the punk. And I was cutting little by little because I know I needed a bob, but I didn't know how it would look when it was dry. So I wanted to like keep cutting. So I literally cut at least like 5 times, starting over, just to get the desired look. But it did come out looking nice, and my customer loves it, so it's a plus. So I literally just kept going around in circles, kept cutting until it was good. And then I let that out to air dry. And after that air dried, I flat ironed it and I cut again, because I was not playing. By the way, guys, this is a wig from my hair company, Natalie's Virgin Bundles. This was a 12-inch natural black wig, and I believe 180 density or 150 density. I will double check and let you guys know, but I'm like 90% sure it's 180. But the hair came natural black and I dyed it jet black, so yeah. If you guys want this wig or are interested in buying this wig, please contact me or go on my website, NatalieVirginBundles.com, or I'll leave my contact information in the description box below, as you guys already know. Alright, so this is how it came out looking when it was air dry, and I still feel like it was long. It was too long, so I just went in and I ended up flat ironing it. I used some L'Oreal Sleek It spray for some heat protectant, and I ended up flat ironing the whole thing, went in and I cut it again because I feel like it was too long. But I didn't even realize that my camera died, so didn't even record myself cutting it, but I did cut it at least like another inch off. But you guys are gonna see the ending result, so yeah. just stay tuned, guys. Oh, by the way, did you guys see my TikTok video in the beginning? Follow me on TikTok, guys. Jackie_star. I will leave that in the description box. I just made a TikTok and it's really addicting. Like, oh my gosh. It's really addicting. Low key, like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm on it more than Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, anything else. Like, TikTok is where it's at right now. But that's a time for another day. But yeah, I'm gonna just flat iron it and you guys are gonna watch me flat iron it. And then I cut it a little bit and that was it. I used my Remington. I think this is like 1.5 inch flat iron. I got it for like $35 at Target, I believe. But listen, this flat iron been holding me down. Like, this is like better than my Baby Bliss flat iron. My honest opinion, I like it better. Maybe because this is a 1.5 inch. I feel like it gets more done than my 1 inch flat iron. So yeah, I like this one better. But this is my go-to flat iron because I feel like it just flat irons my hair way faster. And I guess because it's bigger. But yeah, so I just flat ironed it, cut it, and you guys are gonna see my final results when I'm done. This is the wig when it was done. Blunt cut bob. 12 inches. I cut it into about maybe like a 10 inch or 8 inch. My customer loved it, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you like this video, please just give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Enjoy. Bye. Mwah.